Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd at 7 p.m. here in Northern California. What do you say, Joy? How are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. Joy is not very excited right now, but I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited because the crypto market is beginning to heat up. And today we're going to take a look at some daily charts because the daily charts are showing us what the weekly charts are only beginning to show. The daily charts are showing that actually a reversal has already begun, and we could be looking at the beginning of the next impulsive wave up for many, many assets. However, I am cautiously optimistic, and I'm going to show you the point of caution. I am optimistic, but I'm going to show you why that there's a point of caution in my optimism. Let us start with the Bitcoin chart. First and foremost, we're seeing that we've broken above this line, and we've broken above this line of resistance for the first time since November of 2021, guys. So this line goes all the way back here up to November 10th, and we've been underneath this line since November 10th, 2021. We just broke above it yesterday. That is incredibly hopeful. However, if we take a look at the RSI was not as lucky as the price. The RSI looks like it got stopped right at the line. I mean, literally right on the line and rejected. So what that could mean is that the RSI is going to come back down and test the bottom of here when we've got a couple more goes at it. However, the price has gone ahead and broken above and then come back down to retest that line today, and we have stayed above it. If we are able to stay above that line and get even a small amount of volume in addition to what we've got, we're going to come retest 45,000. If we can break above 45,000, we're going to retest 52,000. We're simply watching the volume in the RSI to see if they give us any indication that confirms this bullish movement. THETA token is somewhat hopeful. Just the opposite of BTC. You see that THETA token is stopped right at this line. This line for THETA token goes back to December 2021. Well, actually, I mean, it goes higher as well. It goes back to November as well. I've only drawn it back to December. But we've been under this line, and we're still under this line. We still have not broken above it. However, the RSI has peeked its head above it. Take a look at this. Look at that. The RSI is peaking out. Hello. Hello, RSI. So if the price can confirm the RSI, also take a look at the MACDs. The MACDs are peaking out. Look at this. This line was established in November 2021. We honored it here, and now we're peaking above it. So we're seeing some signs that THETA token wants to break out. XRP wants to break out. XRP is even more bullish because not only has the price broken above it the day before yesterday, but we remained above it yesterday and we remained above it today, and we tested that line. See how we came back to retest that line, and now that line is our support. But not only that, we've broken above it in the RSI. Look at that. Bam. And we've got bullish MACDs. So, and the volume doesn't look half bad for XRP, although if we really want to see some bullish movement on the XRP chart, we need this kind of volume over here. This kind of volume won't do it, and this is the caution in my optimism. I'm cautiously optimistic because across many charts, I'm seeing similar breakout patterns in the price, RSI, and MACDs, especially on the daily charts. I'm just not seeing a whole lot of volume with one exception. With one exception. I mean, BCH, this is a nice volume bar right here. That's nice, but it needs to look more like these volume bars over here if we're going to get any real sustainable movement upwards. I'm looking at BCH, and we might come back down to retest this trend line here and then get a bounce. If we do get a bounce there, we can retest $476, which is nice. A nice break above in the RSI, but hopefully we'll retest this line here and then get one more break upward. This is the problem when you have bullish movements like this that are not accompanied by much volume, is they can potentially peter out before they get very far. So you get real excited about it, and then the next thing you know, the RSI is overbought, and it has to come back down. And so, yeah, I'm hoping we can get at least one more bounce above the top of this band here. And if we can get up into this territory here before we have to pull back and cool down for a while, that would be nice. However, BCH does look strong. ADA, same type of thing. Nice strong breakout in the RSI. Nice bullish MACDs. Nice strong breakout on the price chart. We broke above the trend. RSI broke above the trend. We just ain't got no volume. We just need some volume. What's up with the volume? The lack of volume simply means the big boys are not participating in this move yet. And so if the big boys are not participating in this move yet, we're not going to see a massive move until the big boys jump in the waters. Let's take a look at XLM. We're seeing the same thing in XLM. Nice bullish break above the trend in the price. Nice bullish break above the trend of the RSI. Nice bullish MACDs. Little to no volume. I mean, if we zoom out a little bit, this is what real volume looks like. You know, if we look at all of the major moves, this was what the volume looked like. And even, you know, it starts here and then it continues here. You know, you need a pump of volume to start an actual wave, like an Elliott wave up. And until we get sufficient volume, we're not going to see huge movements in price. However, take a look at Zilliqa. Look at that volume bar. Look at that volume bar. Bam! I mean, we're not seeing a huge movement in price. We are seeing the RSI break above the trend. We are seeing the price break above the trend, you know. But look at this volume. The last time we had a volume burst like that was October 31st. So somebody knows something. Now, we need more than one bar like that to be sustainable. But this is definitely a promising sign that there's activity on the Zilliqa chart and that we've broken bullish above the price. We've broken bullish in the RSI. All we need is some sustained volume to move us up to the next level, to restart the next impulsive wave. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm looking for. Hey, listen, that's all I got for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. And I'm just what we might call a hobbyist, and I'm telling you my opinions, my perspectives based upon the data that I gleaned from these charts. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like button. And above all, make it your aim to sleep in peace every night, wake in joy every morning, and walk in love every day. This is Cryptogenic, signing out.